Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can change the password on an account. If I click right here at the startup menu, you notice this right here is the name of the account, but we want to change the password. How can we really change the password? We're going to click right here in the search bar right here, and notice this is the word panel control. If you click and you don't see it, you have to type it in. We're going to click that right there. So when you click, you notice use the system and security, is the network and internet, is the audio and sound program. Right, you see account, you see appearance and personalization, clock and region, ease of access. But what we want to focus on right here is to change account type. So you're going to click on that. When you click on it, bring up this guy. This is what you want to adjust. So you're going to click on it. When you click on it, notice it's a change account name, change the password, change the account type, and manage. So what we want to pay attention to is to change the password. So we're going to click on that. So when you click on that now, it's the current password. Right, so you're going to put the current password in here. So when you do that now, you're going to add a new password now. And you're going to put the confirmation right here. And when you finish with that now, you're going to give a little hint. Right, you give a little hint. And then right here, there's a change. You notice this you can, so you're going to click on change just the same right here. Good. And if you notice, a different password. Now it's right there. So very important. So that is the way you can actually go about and actually change it and all of that. If you even want to change the name, you can even come right here and click. Alright, and yeah, this is a new name. Alright, so I'm gonna write something here. Alright, I'm gonna write my computer class here. Alright, so there is a computer class right here. Alright, so it actually limit me to write the one right here. Alright, so I'm gonna move the first one right here. And so I'm gonna put computer class instead. Alright, put that. And when you finish, you can see right here, so change name. Right, and if you notice right up here, you notice it actually shows that Indian change. They're very important. So if and when you want to change the name or the password, you can come right there. And when you finish, you can come right here, back arrow, take you back, or you can come right here, this, just and close it. So hope you have learned something from this particular video. So remember to share it and write a comment right here.